I think it's pretty like cool to be part of like this little community of like underground technicians, I guess. I like learning how things worked, and I would take them apart, put them back together. I really like music, and I was like, music, engineering, instrument repair. When I found out about Dave and what he does here, I was like, that seems really cool, and I want to do that.
I repair the band instruments for the Omaha Public Schools district. A lot of things are clarinet keys that get bent, stuck mouthpieces, stuck slides on the brass instruments. Usually the bottom keys on the saxophones, because they're the ones that stick out and get bumped. The neat thing about Caesar is he's truly interested in it. One time he told me that when we come in, because I'd rather be doing something that's fun, and this is fun.
Music is just a really big part of my life. I feel like this is a job that's always gonna be around. Like how you can't have cars without having a car mechanic.
Basically, I'm taking him through the beginnings of things. It allows me to share my craft. Since he's a clarinet player, we started out on clarinet and just showing him how to put new pads in.
By doing things and like watching Dave do them first, and then he's like, okay, now your turn.
Sounds like a place.
I might mess it up a bit, but that's just part of the learning process, and just keep going and finish all the way through. For such a like niche subject, it feels like there would be nobody here around to help. But just knowing that OPS has somebody here just makes it really just amazing. So I'm really grateful that, I got this opportunity.